Your blood sugar just hit 180. Your hands shake. Brain fog rolls in. You stare at your empty pasta bowl wondering why you keep doing this to yourself. What if 3 pasta alternatives exist right now that won't spike your glucose? But the food industry keeps them hidden in specialty aisles because refined flour is cheaper to produce and more profitable to sell. Traditional pasta delivers 43 grams of carbs in just 2 ounces. Your pancreas goes into overdrive. You crash 2 hours later. This cycle is destroying your body. If you're exhausted from feeling like pasta is your enemy and you want real solutions that actually work, hit subscribe because we share research-backed strategies the mainstream food industry doesn't want you to know. Picture tonight. You're eating spaghetti with marinara and grilled chicken. 2 hours pass. You check your monitor. 110. Stable. No spike. No crash. No guilt. 7 days later, you've eaten pasta 3 times this week. Your energy stays consistent all day. 30 days from now, your doctor pulls up your A1C results and pauses. She looks confused. Your numbers dropped significantly. People with type 2 diabetes cannot tolerate many carbs due to insulin resistance. But when you swap traditional pasta for the right alternatives, everything changes. Here's the villain. The pasta market will reach over $100 billion by 2032. Traditional pasta made from refined wheat flour lacks fiber and has been processed to remove healthful bran and germ. The food industry pushes refined carbohydrates because they're the lowest cost, most heavily subsidized ingredients. They hide healthier options in specialty aisles while you keep buying boxes that spike your glucose to dangerous levels week after week. If your doctor just tells you to eat less pasta without giving real alternatives, drop frustrated in the comments, and I'll leave you a heart because you deserve better answers. Let me show you what happens if nothing changes. 5 years from now, your feet tingle at night. Neuropathy creeping in. Your vision blurs. You need reading glasses suddenly. You're on 3 medications instead of 1. 10 years from now, you're facing kidney issues. Heart disease risk climbing. Maybe dialysis. High intakes of sugar lead to higher risk of heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. This is the documented progression of unmanaged type 2 diabetes. Every plate of traditional pasta is another brick in that wall. But there's a way out. Number 3 is edamame spaghetti. 2 ounces contains 21 grams total carbs with 9 grams net carbs and 25 grams of protein. Glycemic index of only 16 compared to regular pasta's 49 to 55. You just cut your carb load in half. Number 2 is black bean spaghetti. 19 grams total carbs, but only 8 grams net carbs. Over 40 grams of protein and 19 grams of fiber per serving. Black beans contain anthocyanins that inhibit enzymes breaking down carbohydrates, promoting lower blood sugar. Glycemic index sits at 16. And now, the game changer, Shirataki Noodles from Konjac plant. 8 ounces contains only 20 calories, 97% water, and 3% glucomannan fiber. Almost no digestible carbohydrates. 0 blood sugar impact. A study on 26 Japanese patients with type 2 diabetes found that eating konjac daily for 12 weeks decreased hemoglobin A1C from 8.3% to 8.0%, and fasting glucose from 173 to 153 milligrams per deciliter. Taking 3.6 grams of konjac glucomannan daily for 28 days improved fasting blood glucose by 23.2%. For extra blood sugar support, check the supplement recommendation in the first pinned comment because it complements these strategies perfectly. If you take diabetes medications, talk to your doctor before adding Shirataki because it can cause blood sugar to drop too low. Drain the package. Rinse under cold water for 2 minutes. Pat dry. Heat a dry skillet and toss noodles 1 to 2 minutes. Add sauce and protein. Always pair with lean protein like chicken or fish. Add healthy fats like olive oil. Load vegetables like broccoli, spinach, zucchini. Screenshot this right now because you'll want this in the grocery store. 2 ounces regular pasta has 200 calories and 43 grams carbs. 8 ounces Shirataki has 20 calories and 0 carbs. You could eat 4 times as much for 1/10 the calories. Research in the journal Nutrients found pasta consumption within recommended carb limits doesn't worsen glucose control, but only when you choose the right type. If this opened your eyes to options you never knew existed, smash that like button and share with someone struggling with blood sugar, because this could save their quality of life. If this brought value, consider clicking Super Thanks below. It's optional, but helps us create science-based content, challenging what the food industry wants you to believe. If you're ready to swap traditional pasta for these 3 alternatives, write Shirataki in the comments, and I'll leave a heart because I know you are committed to protecting your health. But what if there's a meal timing strategy that could amplify your blood sugar control by 300% and reverse insulin resistance faster than any food swap alone? That's what we're revealing next.